Hello. So we just came back from the town of Chania, and it was really nice. I had a lot of raki, and if you check my first video, you'll see what raki is. It's 40% alcohol and it's made of grape. Go back to the first video and you'll see what raki is. So it was really nice, and I was I don't know, I think raki does something to me. I feel like I was dreaming, I was so relaxed. It was really amazing. It was a good feeling. But anyways, I got some bargain as well. I got some really good deals, and I want to show you guys. I want to share it with you. So I'll start with this cutie. So this is a leather slippers I got for my niece. Leather is really affordable in Greece. Apparently, I didn't know that, but yes. So that's one goodie. And we got these cute little purse. Got a lot of them, but this is one. And also, I found this man. This man, he was just making these things with his hands, and they are called mandala. There's Google mandala, and I don't. They're made from brass wire, but they're so cool. You can wear them as jewelry, like this. And you can also just play with them. You can play with them because they change shape. It's so cool. You can have it like a vase on your... It's so nice. I love it. So it's something that you can play with. See? Ooh. Open this. And then it's like this. It's really nice, and then it's back like this, yeah. So they're called mandala, right? And so that's a really nice, something really nice you can get in Greece, in Chania. This mandala. And the guy who makes them, that's his package. I think he's on Etsy, so you can look for him on Etsy if you'd like, or you can ask me. I can get them for you. And the big deal is this bag. For my mama, for work. Good price, and it's leather. Cow's leather, so it's strong. I don't know. And as a bonus, the people at the shop gave me this one. It's really nice. It's also cow's leather, but it's patterned to look like snake, but it's not snake. It's just leather. And the final goodie I got is this one. This. And they're good leather bags. It's for my sister for work. But they're really nice, strong leather stuff. I was very impressed with the town of Chania. And if you're interested in any of these items, just link me. I know how to get them for you. But that's not the purpose for this video. It's to show you that there are good, nice shopping in Chania. And the place is just, if you're a writer or you just want to meditate, you want to see something different, you want to see something, yeah, it's nice. It's a nice place to just relax. And we had lunch at this traditional Chania restaurant. It was so good. The lamb, we got like a meatball. I'll show you soon. A meatball, and it had pork, beef, sausages. It was really nice. We ate it together, me and Hannah, but it was perfect. nice. So that's the goodies I got. I'm really tired, and I think also the Raki has me. I don't know what this thing, but while I was drinking it, I was telling Hano, this thing makes me very happy. I'm like in a different place when I drink it. I see all the possibilities. I could do this, I could do that. But yeah, it was really nice. The town is nice. If you're ever in Crater or in Chania area, it's a really nice place. The town, the old town of Chania, is really nice. Sit, have some lunch or a drink, a raki, or just the artwork is also nice. So yeah, that's it. That's what we did today. Thanks for watching.